Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone must be on a supported iOS and you must be signed into your Apple ID. Why? Because family sharing and purchase sharing rely on the organizer's account and payment method. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then select Family Sharing. This first step creates the group and links accounts. Make sure the organizer's payment method is valid, otherwise purchases won't route correctly. Now tap Purchase Sharing to start the actual enabling process. You toggle Purchase Sharing on, which tells Apple to share app, music, and book purchases across the group. When prompted, confirm the organizer's payment method. This is essential because all shared purchases bill to that card. Then add or confirm family members. Invite them via messages or have them accept on their devices. This step ties each member's purchases into the family sharing pool, so make sure each person uses the correct Apple ID. Otherwise, items won't sync as expected. You finish by checking that shared purchases appear in the App Store or books under Purchased for each family member. If items don't show up, first sign out and back into Apple ID, then restart the device. This often forces sync. Make sure purchase sharing isn't blocked by screen time or content restrictions, and confirm the organizer's payment method is current. If problems persist, remove and re-add the family member. That rebuilds the sharing link and usually resolves lingering permission or syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.